Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to change the max FPS of any game when using NVIDIA. Start by typing in NVIDIA Control Panel in the search bar of your PC. When the control panel is opened up, go to Manage 3D Settings under 3D Settings. Now, if you would like to change the max FPS of all of your games at once, stay at the Global Settings tab. If you would like to change it for just one or some games, go to the Program Settings tab. To add the game to the list, just click on Add, look for the game, and click on Add Selected Program. If you have selected the program you would like to change the max FPS of, or you stayed under the Global Settings tab, to change it for all of the games at once, scroll down to Max Frame Rate. After that, just change it to On and choose the max FPS you want. Finally, click on OK and Apply, and your max FPS will be changed for this program or all of them. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.